with a little bit of under the hood work, she's running pretty smoothly. Not bad. Rebuilt carburetor, new plugs, new wires still on order. Electric fuel pump off the small auxiliary tank for the meantime, but a little bit of a boaty sound, but you get that with a 472. The wife did a good job of cleaning out the back. Still has a bit of a ways to go, but not bad. Hey, she's not afraid to actually go anywhere near the dang thing, so I'll call that a win. Ignore how close the cars are parked. It's maximized space. But yeah. Nice, clean and clear out the exhaust. No more sputter popping backfires. No more rattling like a cement mixer. Still a bit loud directly under the hood, but you get that with the old 472s. Still a little hard on acceleration, but you know, she's not too bad. I mean, for what she is, what more do you want?